This has been my inspo. This is so pretty in princess pink. Ready with the Nomakenolife unboxing. Yes, this dress. So I do feel like a fairy princess or kind of like a bug with these two little antlers. Let's go ahead and get started for our Nomakenolife subscription box unboxing and review. Here we go. Ta-da! Ooh, that bright light. So they have the pamphlet, of course, Tokyo Glow. Really cool. This is a hair mask. So hopefully I can try that out today. Also got me a cute little scrunchy hair tie. I think that's so adorable. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this into the giveaway. So giveaway time, yes. And just a little refresher as far as what is in the giveaway. I got the eyelashes that I'm wearing right now. I have this scrunchie now, and I also have this mascara from the BoxyCharm box. Don't forget to subscribe and put the word enter. So I do giveaways throughout the month. But yes, you definitely have to be a subscriber because I do pick a random subscriber, and whoever puts the word enter, the details are in the description box below. So don't be shy and say hi to your doll. This is an eye mask. I love their masks. They just completely got it all down as far as like masks for different features of the face. I have such a massive like sheet mask collection, and I haven't been really using it because I've been using a lot of clay masks and other things that I've been getting from subscription boxes and exploring. But this is another one. I got grape flavored, which grape is actually one of my favorite candy flavors, so I'm super excited to use this. Next thing is so adorable, and you can always use them. Look at this. This is like Twin Star Sanrio. So this is like makeup remover. This is so cute. It's gonna go perfect on my inspo cart here, or even on my vanity. So I do need to do a spring cleaning or declutter. I got all kinds of makeup things, and it's like all over the place. What we have is an under eye maker. So this is an interesting product. Yeah, see, is it too bright? I love that. I love that. So it's like an iridescent sponge. This is really cool because I do like to put iridescence in the corner of my eyes. Denkyu lip tint. So they are really, really popular in Asian culture with lip tints. I normally don't end up liking the lip tints and giving them away, but I do like the packaging. It's literally like a light bulb. How cute is it? And the color actually I think would go good on my skin tone. Do you guys like the box? Do you guys think the box is worth it? Do any of you guys have the subscription box? And this looks like a compact, but let's see. Okay, cute. And that's really fun and neat. Let's try this out. Oh, I love it. I love the color. I love baby pinks. So I think this would be really pretty even on the eyes as a highlighter. So I think we can definitely work with this and have some fun today. And it also comes with a cute little brush. So I'm gonna have to incorporate some of my own products to actually make this makeup look work. Very simple makeup. This here is the lip plumper. It's helps to define your lips, make it smooth and kissable, I should say. So I always like to put something on my lips these days. Are a little bit dried up, so I like to plump them out, especially the upper lip. Plumping products are like a staple piece in my makeup routine. So, in fact, I love plumping so much. Speaking of plumping, is a plump and prime, and this is Too Faced. And dolls, I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, because this channel is definitely growing thanks to you dolls, and I just love your likes, comments, support, shares, and just all the love that you dolls have been showing me. This has been really fun, and this channel is all about experimenting, having fun, you know, self-love, self-care. So that's a plumping product. I already feel it. This Tata, which I got in another Nomakenolife box so a while ago, and you know, I just feel like I don't like to waste. Some products are definitely better than others, but I got this so long ago. I think it was like last August. So but this is a really amazing, what do you call this? Yeah, that's what I was looking for, the word primer. I also got one in my BoxyCharm box recently, and this is the Icy Shirt Primer, and a regular price is $32. But I definitely always feel a need now to have primer just because of my aging gracefully and painfully. This foundation, this is the MAC Studio Sculpt SPF 15. Yeah, see, it goes on very nicely. All right, Alright, so I just want to go ahead and try these two items. This is the step one. It's like a brown color. It up a little bit on my skin. It's an under eye marker, so if that's the case, I love to put eyeshadow on the bottom. I don't know about you dolls, but eyeshadow to balance out my eyes, and it makes it a lot more bigger because it does make my eyeballs pop. So it's kind of like one of my things, especially if you're wearing like lower lashes, if you're into that. I don't really have much lower lashes, so that's why putting on lower lashes if I really want to look glamorous and really dolly. And then this is the other tip, which I really am excited about. I used to stay away from like sheer makeup just because I feel like it just like washed me out for some reason. Like I didn't do much, but I do really, ooh, wow. So this is really cool. So it has this metallic on the tip. It's like a squishy foam. I'm just trying to figure out like, how does this work? Do you just like push it? Like, I think. I'm confused. What is this? Oh, dolls. So actually the pigment is in here in the cap. Silly me. So dolls, I'm so sorry. I have to like work with it. So I actually would love to see this as like a highlighter. I think it's gorgeous. You're absolutely stunning. You're gorgeous. Who invented this highlighting thing on the nose? Who deemed this beautiful? Oh, pretty. So this is even great to keep in your purse. Let's go ahead and try this SIQ. I really like this. So it's really pretty. So, oh gosh, can you guys see it? This is like crazy or what? Too much light. The light. I suppose to kind of just dust it off. I actually want more pink because I kind of used, if I was going to use it for highlighter, then I would use more of the white, but I already put that highlighter on, so I'm just going to like follow it up with some pink. So dolls, it's very subtle, but I really like these types of like light pink colors, like baby pink, dolly. I love this. Oh gosh. Okay, so this is really perfect, really cute, completely in love with it. Reliving for that moment. Yes. So I'm gonna try this tint because it's so cute. Seriously, stick it in my purse. Oh, cute. So let's see how to do this. Okay, so let's see how it shows up. Smells delicious. Sure does. So I won't be using these wipes after all today. Alright, I almost feel bad wasting it on my face. They're just too cute. They're just like for decoration. They're too pretty. Okay, so that is kind of why like I don't live for these lip tints. It just doesn't do it for me. I think it's because like my natural lip color is kind of dark. I definitely would put this over something perhaps. I don't know. I know. Try this. So this is like really kind of like a similar color. So I kind of thought it would be matching, it would work. So yeah, there we go. Yeah, I'm all about, I like matte colors, so that just put everything together. I almost feel like I need to add eyeliner because I'm all about balance, you know, the cheek. Also, I do need to shop for a new liquid eyeliner, so please let me know. I don't know if you guys heard of like Miss A. So it's a dollar store, and I was watching a YouTuber and I was like so tempted to just go nuts bananas on that site because it's like, how can you go wrong, right? $1. But then I'm like, okay, before I need to be very mindful because I do have lots of things and I don't want to be wasteful. I definitely want to get you dolls some items as well, just for like May, probably June's like giveaways or something, because I do have some videos already planned for this month. But let me know, Miss A, they have some really cute items. I also wanted to try Shein cosmetics because I saw a lot of good reviews on that, and again, affordable. So I will go to do another like makeup shop with me. If you guys enjoy these types of videos, if you want to see other different types of content, please let me know in the comment section below, because I definitely want to give you guys content. Oh, excuse me, any barking spiders? I definitely want to give you guys content that you enjoy, so I'll leave it with that. I'm gonna probably have to film this on another day, so stay tuned if you enjoy, you know, me having me actually try these products out and give you like a little bit of like, you know, a better review. Let me go ahead and check back in, but if it's the last time that you're seeing my face, I definitely want to let you dolls know that I love you dolls so much. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing. If you like girly girl vlogs and if you like to do these girly girl things like makeup, fashion, lifestyle, you know, things, and hang out with me and have some fun, then please don't forget to subscribe. Welcome new dolls, and I look forward to seeing you at the next video. Bye dolls. know if you know, but I do get my nails from AliExpress. They're just so affordable. It's just ridiculous.